Do you want to make a change in your life? Do you want to break free from the current state you're in? Ask yourself, do you really want it? I've found the path I'm going to walk on. I've started this channel to share everything I know and everything I've learned. Welcome if you want to change yourself for the better. Inshallah, we'll improve with time. How to change yourself in the year 2024. Divide the year into 4 quarters and assign a goal to each section. Strive hard to achieve that goal, no matter what. Set small goals in each section to achieve what you want easily. Learn skills that will help you achieve those goals, such as time management and building social relationships. The key skill you must learn is how to learn. Everything you need is on YouTube. The next video will bring you the best websites and channels that will help you develop yourself. Stay tuned.